Yeah. Good evening, everyone, and welcome to today's session. I'm Archana Kamath, and I'm a part of the ISOC Rural Development team. I hope and I pray that all of you are safe and with your family. And I know it's a very difficult time, and we are going through a lot. So it's very difficult to stay positive during this time. But for a better tomorrow, we all have to stay positive and stay with your family. And during this time, I think we need to give a big shout out, first of all, to all those kids out there. And I know, hello, I know it's very difficult for them to stay at home and do nothing. So, to all the little heroes there, side and staying with their family. And I think that is why this session is very special. And naturally, this I have to dedicate to those kids there. And the topic for today is both the pandemic from the kids' perspective. So today we have Sudha ma'am and Pravina Bharath ma'am to join us. Sudha ma'am, she's working as a professor for the past 22 years. She's a fellow of ATNIC in SIG, and she also written many books on cyber security, 4G and 5G networks, and green computing. And she also has more than 100 papers published in many journals. Thank you, Sudha ma'am, for joining us. We also have Pravina Bharath ma'am. She's a master's in computer science. She's a freelancer and entrepreneur, and she's also a project consultant. She's currently running a kids academy called Living Little Genius. She has also attended APNIC, and she's also a fellow of FinSec. So thank you, ma'am, for joining the session. I hope you all have your kids by your side and you have the prerequisite which was written with the mail, some your tablet or an extra laptop so that you can register their performance. So let's start with the session.
Hi all, am I audible? Am I audible?
Yes, you are.
Yeah. Hi, this is Dr.N.Sudha Bhuvaneswari and I have Mrs.Pravina Bharath along with me. Thank you, Archana, for that lovely introduction and thank you, Rural Development SIG team members. Now, over to Pravina. She'll just introduce herself and we'll move on to the session.
Hi everybody, I am Mrs. Pravina Bharath. I would like to thank all the officers of Rural Development SIG and Archana and others for organizing the session. Thank you. We'll start the session.
Okay, hi kiddos. I hope all are doing fine, all are safe, enjoying your holidays with the family. And you hear a lot of words telling about coronavirus, quarantine, lockdown. What else? Oh, it's really bugging, no? Sitting at home, no games to play, no friends to see, and no movies, no malls, nothing. Okay, we are planning to engage you for the first 1 hour, this 1 hour. And this is actually two parts we have in this session. The first part will be a small presentation where we just tell you the fact about this virus and the pandemic. And the second part will be the question answering session where you people are going to join us for a game and you are going to answer the questions, whatever is given in the presentation. So most of the questions are from the presentation and probably 1 or 2 questions can be out of that. So shall we move to the session? Are you all ready? Are you with me? Okay, let's move with the session. First, I'll just start with the presentation. This will be a small introduction presentation about what is the pandemic and what is a virus and how this virus spreads. And after this second session, Mrs. Pravina Bharath will take over to play a game with Kahoot and she will give you the introduction about how the second part works. Okay, right here we go now. Yeah. Once again, I'll just share the screen for you. I'll just open the presentation. I think the host has to stop sharing the screen. Yeah, okay, thank you. Okay, so today's webinar is on Know the Pandemic, the kids' perspective. So not much difficult jargons here, just how the kids can understand what is a pandemic. Okay, so we're just going to see through a few slides what is actually called as pandemic. Let us start with the show. So let me take you to a virtual tour to learn about virus. So what is virus? Most of you would have heard about what is virus, how the and everywhere people are worrying about virus, coronavirus spreading, all are at home, all are bored, what to do, how to kill time, everything. So we'll just see what happens, what is the problem with this virus, what does it do? Okay, so I'm just taking you to a virtual tour on how this virus spreads and how you can come out of this problem. So what is a virus? Virus is a germ that make animals and humans sick. So it is actually a germ that can make you, when it enters your body, it can make you sick, as well as it also spread to animals. So it is very small in size. You cannot see where it is. So it is very difficult to fight this virus. You cannot see where the virus is present. It can be everywhere. So you cannot see it through your eyes. And how do doctors see it? They actually see it through a small device called the microscope. You can see this is actually the picture of the microscope. So if you want to see where this virus, how this virus looks, how it moves, you need a microscope. Okay, it is nothing but a virus, and you can call this as a virus, a germ, or a microbe. It can be called anything because you see through microscope. You can also call it as microbes. And how do they grow? They need living cells, like cells which is present in animals and human beings. They need that cell where they start growing and they start multiplying. Not only growing into a single one, they start multiplying and they also start spreading. So virus is a very small organism and it's very difficult to fight against these viruses since we cannot see them through our eyes. Now, what is this virus made up of? You can see an image here. This is actually the picture of the coronavirus. And this coronavirus, or whatever the virus is actually made up of the inner part. This inner part is actually made up of nucleic acid. There are two types of nucleic acid, deoxyribonucleic acid, or it can be ribonucleic acid. And the outer part, you can see some spikes-like structure, and that is actually the protein coat, and that is called as the capsid. That's called as the capsid. So a virus is made up of two parts. The outer Okay, so the virus is made up of two parts, DNA, deoxyribonucleic acid, and RNA, ribonucleic acid, and the outer covering is actually the protein covering, and this is called as the capsid. So what is coronavirus? Coronavirus is a type of virus and it is made up of RNA. So I already told you there are two types of nucleic acid. So this coronavirus is made up of RNA. And what is the difference is when the virus when it is made up of RNA, it can keep changing its behavior or its pattern. That's why it is very difficult to find a medicine for this virus. Okay, if you have a medicine for this virus, then the virus could be cured. Or if you have a vaccine is actually an injection which we put before the virus could attack us so that it doesn't attack. So it is very difficult to find a vaccine or medicine for this virus. One thing is this virus loves to travel. That's why it has traveled all around the world. It has reached mainly almost all parts of the world. It has never left any part of the world. It just loves to travel. And this virus is called as nCoV-19 or novel coronavirus 19. Okay, what is the disease it spreads? It spreads a disease that we call it as COVID-19, where CO stands for corona, VI stands for virus, and D stands for disease. And the 19 represents the year when it started. So started around November to December 2019. So we call it as COVID-19. As this virus travels around the world, it has become an unwanted guest. Normally, you children, whenever there's a guest coming from a place to see you, they actually bring a lot of chocolates, they bring biscuits, toys, you can chat with them, you can play with them, all things. So you'll be expecting eagerly for these guests to come. But the coronavirus has become an unwanted guest. So who is the unwanted guest? The coronavirus is the unwanted guest. And who is the World Health Organization has stated that what coronavirus brings is nothing but sickness that includes cough, sneeze, sore throat, runny nose, fever, headaches, stomach problems, and shortness of breath. Okay, so this has become an unwanted guest, and you would be wondering, what is this pandemic? Pandemic. What is pandemic? Pandemic means when the disease has started spreading all around the world, then we call it as pandemic. So COVID-19 has become a pandemic. So pandemic is actually a Greek word. It is actually derived from the Greek language, and the word is pandemos, pandemos. Demos means the population, and pan means everyone. It has started attacking everyone. Can you all see the screen which I'm sharing? Can you all see the screen which I'm sharing?
No, we are not able to see the screen. Can you please reshare the screen?
Yeah, I like it. Can you see now?
Still, we are not able to see the screen.
Now is it see?
We are able to see your webcam, but we are not able to see the screen yet. Sorry, the audience, due to the glitch, the speaker is not able to share the screen. Just give it a while. Yeah, successfully. We are able to see the screen now. Thank you.
So, should I go with the previous screens or just continue with this?
We are able to the screen. You can go ahead now.
So, we are just going to see what is this pandemic. So, pandemic is actually derived from the Greek word pandemos. Demos means the population and pan means everyone. So, this pandemic is a worldwide spread of the disease or the virus, and hence it has spread across the world. We declare it as pandemic. How does this coronavirus spread? It cannot move on its own, but they do spread easily through touch. Say, for example, you have cough or cold, and you just sneeze, or you just cough, and you wipe your running nose with the back of your hand. After that, when you meet your friend, you say, hi, how are you? I'll give a high five. Then easily the virus which has attacked you can attack your friend. It will attack your friend as well. This is one way how it spreads. So what are the other ways it spreads? The other way, the virus can float and move through air. So this is why doctors and teachers always say you have to wear or cover your mouth in your elbow, or you have to wear a mask when you or use a kerchief when you sneeze or cough. So here we have Master Monish giving a small demo. Yeah. Now we'll just explain how the virus spread from his perspective. I'll just play a small demo video.
We are not able to see the video, and the audio also very low. So can we go ahead with the next slide if there, please?
Okay, so today's story, how to beat the virus. We have few heroes and villains. So I'll just introduce the heroes. We have Carrie, we have Slick, we have Patience, and we have Buff. And the villains are nothing but the germs, all types of germs which causes cold and flu. So how these heroes are going to beat these villains? Let's see how they do it.
Throughout history, scrub clubbers have helped kids around the world become hand-washing heroes. They combine the power of water, soap, scrubbing, shake it, good. Smile, shake it. Clean and wash away those yucky germs. Oh, just shake it. Smile, shake it. We're everywhere all the time. Folks, would you quit horsing around? It's time to size up this new scrub club. And now, making her first big splash, Karen. Hi, it's water that grabs those nasty germs to wash them all away. And next, your split sliding soap tube. Select. Hey, soap in your hands helps the germs slide. And who puts the scrub in the club? Patience. Wow, when you scrub your hands, make sure to take your time. And finally, your guide for dry buff. Hey, dry hands don't spread germs so easily. If you're still wet, you're not done yet. Come on, guys, time to scrub. Power on, Scrub Club team. Wait, hold your horses. It's time for some stinky thing. Let's get to work. Let the Scrub Club help you beat those nasty germs and be hand washing heroes. Tune in again soon to find out. Rural history, scrub clubbers have helped kids around the world become hand-washing heroes. They come
Okay, so in this story, the German virus are the villains, and we have seen Carrie, Sling, Patience, and Buff are the heroes. So how are they heroes? So if you want to make a challenge to the coronavirus, you have to follow certain precautions. The first precaution is always wash your hand with soap and water. So when you wash your hands, you have to follow these 5 steps as given by the National Science Foundation. The 5 steps of hand washing is, the first step, wet your hands. So when you wet your hands, Carrie is a hero that carries away all the germs, and Carrie is nothing but the water droplets. After you wet your hands, you need to apply the soap. You need to apply the soap. The soap is nothing but the slick, which takes away all the germs from your hands. So after applying the soap, scrub your hands for at least 20 seconds. And that is patience. Patience is nothing but you have to wash or scrub your hands at least for 20 seconds. You have to wait. Then only it can kill the germs. And after that, again rinse well with water or Carrie. And finally, dry your hands, and that is buff. Buff is nothing but you have to dry your hands. So these are the 5 steps that has to be followed when you're actually challenging the corona. So the 5 steps which are you have to follow to challenge the corona: wash your hands regularly with soap and water. First thing, wet your hands, apply the soap, scrub your hands for 20 seconds, rinse well, and then dry your hands. The second challenge, how you challenge coronavirus is, whenever you sneeze or cough, what you have to do is you have to cover your mouth with tissue paper or with your elbow. So whenever you sneeze or whenever you cough, you have to cover your mouth with tissue paper, or do the cough or sneeze in your elbow. So that's the correct way. So first thing what you have to do is you have to wash your hands. Not using a tissue paper, you cannot wipe out all the germs. Not with plain water, you can wipe out all the germs. First thing, wash your hands with soap and water for at least 20 seconds. Or you use a sanitizer. Instead of, if you are not using a soap and water, just use a sanitizer which has got at least 60% of alcohol. The second part, whenever you cough or sneeze, then what you do is you cover your nose and mouth with a tissue paper. And third step, what you have to do is you have to follow social distancing. You have to follow social distancing. So keep at least 6 feet distance. When you meet some of your friends, when you meet people, you just maintain at least 6 feet distance so that you maintain a social distancing and the virus will not be carried to you. So the virus does not spread between people. What you have to do is you have to maintain social distancing, and the distance should be at least 6 feet. 6 feet of distance is a recommended distance that is maintained for social distance. So follow these steps, and this will help you to prevent corona entering you or entering your house or entering into your family. So how will you keep yourself happy during this time of lockdown? How do you keep yourself happy during this time of lockdown? First thing is, eat healthy, be happy, sleep well, stay inside your house, don't go outside your house, and avoid close contact, and avoid touching your face often. Don't keep on touching your eyes, your nose or mouth unnecessarily, because you do not know where the virus is present. And if you touch your eyes, nose and mouth, what happens is the virus can enter you. So avoid touching your face, stay at home, and if you are sick, then wear a face mask. If you are sick, then wear a face mask, and you have to wash your hands frequently, and you have to eat healthy food. Okay? Now, we just go to the second part of our webinar today. Are you ready? Are you ready to face the COVID-19 challenge? So here we go. We have Pravina Bharath, who will tell you the instructions on how to play this game. Hi everybody. So we'll go for the next part of the session. Just want to check whether the screen is sharing once again. There's some technical problem. Just check it out. Okay. Okay, just check whether the screen being shared. I just want to check because it's a game with timing. So one second.
Please confirm, can you all able to see the screen?
Still, we are not able to see the screen.
Yeah, kindly confirm me. Can you all able to see the screen? What I'm sharing here?
No, still not yet.
Ma'am, kindly reshare the screen. Maybe we'll be able to see it again.
Okay. Can you able to see the screen?
No, ma'am, not yet.
Not yet. Also, again, I just come out of the Senate. And now are you getting it's not getting?
We can see the screen, ma'am.
Okay, okay, we'll start now. Okay, so this session, it's going to be a question and answer session. So first thing, I'll give you the instruction how to connect to this Kahoot. Okay, so if you are using PC, open your browser and type kahoot.it. It will ask for the game pin. Just wait, I will share. Okay. And if you are using mobile or tab, take another additional device and open the browser and type kahoot.it. Here you can see kahoot.it. Type kahoot.it and give the speed. And you can log into that and you can add your names. So here, the thing is, the live stream screen will show you the question and answer options and displayed in 4 colors. The answer options will be displayed in 4 colors. I just show you how it will be. For example, I show you the thing. So it will be in 4 different colors. So that you have to see your question and answers in live stream, and you have to give the answer options in your Kahoot. So if you are using mobile or tab, take another additional device and open the browser and give kahoot.it. Is that clear? I just show with an example. Yes, this will be shown in your live stream. So you can see the question and answers with four different colors. For example, the question here is 7 minus 2. 7 minus 2. So the answer for this is 5. So the corresponding color of the answer is red here. So your Kahoot screen, you can able to see only the 4 different colors. So you have to press the corresponding color. 7 minus 2 is 5. Then the answer for the color is red. So you have to press red. So I will be projecting the questions here and you all are going to answer it with Kahoot. Okay, is that clear? Is that clear now? So have 2 devices, one the live stream and another one for answering the questions. And 10 players have joined. So this is the pin. Give this pin and add your name. It will ask for your name. Add your name and join the session. Join the game so that I can start the game. Again, I repeat. So you can see this from the live stream window and take another additional device. Open the browser, give kahoot.it and enter the pin. It will ask for the pin. Enter the pin shown up here. It's 821086 and it will ask for the name. Join in this. So 11 players has joined. Jolie, Teju, Tanisha, Sanju, Vaibhav, Advait, Pihu, KM, Anushka, Tarika, Akash. Come on, kids, join fast so that we can start the game. Yes, Srinidhi, Advait. Kalmi. Seventeen players have joined. Let us wait till all the players to join the game. Again, I'll tell you, you can see the questions and answer options in live stream. And take another additional device, open the browser, give kahoot.it and enter the game pin. It is 821086 and give your name and join the thing. So the questions and answer options you can see in live stream window and the answer, the corresponding answer color should be given in Kahoot. In this game, totally 25 questions are there. Each carries 1,000 points, and the time limit for each question is 30 seconds. Sorry, 30 seconds. So those who answer first and correct will get more points. So 19 players have gone. 20. Amrati, Abba and Vardhani, Dev Chaitanya has joined. Wait for a few more minutes. Let's let others also join. Okay, okay, Archana, I'll start the game. Okay, so I'm going to start again. So this is about all the questions from the COVID-19. So all are general questions. What is a germ? So 30 seconds will be given. You have to answer. So what is a germ? All the options are given here in different colors. So kids, press the corresponding colors in your Kahoot device. Okay. So germ is a piece of dirt that can be found anywhere, or something that is good for your health, or a friendly pet that you can grow at home, or a pathogen or microbe that can cause disease. Which one is the right answer? Okay, it's a pathogen or microbe that can cause disease. That's the right answer. Okay. So let us see the score. Tanisha is on lead. Art and Kulmi, Tejas Sonu are following the thing. Very nice, very good kiddos. We'll go for the next question. So which of the following can make you sick? Going outside with friends, swimming after lunch, eating in the cafeteria, getting germs on the inside or outside of your body. Which will make you sick? Come on, 14 seconds more. 13, 12, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yes. The answer is getting germs on the inside or outside of our body will make us sick. Yes. Okay. Tarika is the highest climber. Very good. Tanisha, Kulmi and Teju. Very nice. They're getting the answers. We go for the next question. So where do you find germs in your school? So where can you find germs in your school? On the floor, everywhere, on the desk, or on the board? Where you can find germs. Is it only on the floor, or everywhere, or on the desk, or on the board? Where you can find germs. So 8, 7, 6, 5 seconds more. 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Yes, the right answer is everywhere you can find germs. So germs will be everywhere. Yes, now Kulmi is on lead, Teju and Sonu, and up to 4 places. Jolly is the highest climber. Very nice. Very good here. We'll go for the next question. How can we see germs? How can we see germs? So germs can be seen through microscope, or binocular, or magnifying glass, or with naked eye. So germs are so small, so very tiny. Can you able to see with your direct eyes? Or need something to see? So 9 seconds, 8 seconds, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Yes, the right answer is you can see germs only through microscope. Okay. Yes, Kulmi, Teju, Akash, and everyone are climbing up the really good. Bhavna is the highest climber. Very good. We go for the next question. So, what part of the body should cover cough and sneeze? So, which part should cover cough and sneeze while you cough or sneeze? So, which part you have to do so that it will not spread to the others? So, whether it's elbow or knee or hand or foot, which part? Yes, it's elbow. So elbow is the right answer. So elbow is the right answer. And Kulmi, Teju, Ak, and Jolie as are on lead. And Teju has so many of them were there. Akash, yes, Akash. Teju has a sheet with 5 correct answers in April. Shall we move to the next question? Which is the right time? Which is the right time to wash your hands? Before we eat, when it is dirty, when you touch another person, or all the above? So which is the right time to wash your hands? Yes, 14 answer, 15. Okay. So all the above is the right answer. We should wash your hands before we eat. When your hands are dirty, we should wash your hands. When you touch another person, you should wash your hands. Yes, all the above. So we go further. We look at the score. So Kulmi, Teju, Ak, Jolie, and Akash were the first 5 leaders. And after 10 places, who is the highest climber? Wow, great. Very nice, kids. We go for the next question. When the disease is spread to the whole world, then it is. So when the disease spread to the whole world, it is called as epidemic, endemic, pandemic, or sporadic. So what we call, when the disease spreads to the whole world, what we call it as? 7 seconds more. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Yes, the right answer is pandemic. When the disease spread to the whole world, we call it as pandemic. Let us see the score. So Kulmi, Teju, Jolly, Ritu, they're on lead. They are the first 5 coming in the lead. Ak has the highest answer sheet of 7. We'll move to the next question. WHO stands for World Health Organization. Is it true or false? So what is WHO? This is a specialized agency for monitoring the world health thing. So whether it's true or false, who stands for World Health Organization? Yes, Char has answered. It's true. So WHO stands for World Health Organization. Yes, Kulmi, Joel, Teju, and Ritu are the first 5, and the 3 places Advait is on the highest line. Very nice. We go for the next question. Coronavirus is made up of DNA and capsid, RNA and capsid, RNA. So coronavirus is made up of what? It's made up of DNA and capsid, RNA and capsid or RNA. Which one is the right answer? Yes, RNA and capsid. So 5 have answered it correctly. Okay, so coronavirus is made up of RNA and capsid. Yes. Okay. So Kulmi, Aak, Joel, and Teju are on lead, and the three places Anushka is on the highest line. Very nice, kids. Shall we move to the next question? What is coronavirus? It's a bacterial infection or a viral infection. What is coronavirus? So what is coronavirus? Whether it's a bacterial infection or viral infection. So 9 seconds more. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's the right answer. It's a viral infection. So coronavirus is a viral infection. It is C. Is George is only very good. Kulmi, Teju, and Ritu are the first 5, and Arya is the highest planning board. Okay, wow. Great. You know, so all the kids are very smart and doing great. We go for the next question. What are the symptoms of COVID-19? So what are the symptoms of COVID-19? So what will be the symptoms? If there's a COVID patient, what will be the symptoms? A severe headache, cough, fever, nasal congestion, cough or sore throat. Yes, come on kids, make it fast. It's 8 seconds more. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yes. The right answer is, everything is the right answer. Any symptoms it can be, whether it can be fever or nasal congestion or cough or sore. It can be any. So all the answers are right here. You see the score. Yes, so Jolie is on lead and the highest answer sheet of train and Kulmi, Ritu and Teju are the first 5. Very good, superb. We'll go for the next question. COVID-19 symptoms will show up within 24 hours. So, when the symptoms, once the virus enters into our body, when the symptoms show up in 24 hours, whether it's true or false. It's true or false? Yes. 2, 1, 0. 0 seconds. So, the right answer is false. And the answer for this will be on the next question. Let us see. So, Jolly and Kulmi, Ritu and Teju has given the right answer. They are in the first 5 who has given the answer very quick. And 3 in the row, Ritu is back in the game again. Okay. We go for the next question. Okay. So mostly coronavirus symptoms begins to show up in dash days. In how many days you can able to see the symptoms? It's 20 days, 5 days, 18 days, or in 1 day. So which is the answer for the previous question too. So how many days we can see the symptoms? 5 seconds, 4 seconds, 3, 2, 1, and 0. Yes, can be seen, mostly it can be seen in 5 days. Okay, 5 days is the right answer. We'll see the score. Jolly, Kulmi, and Ritu and Teju. Yeah, super kids. And Kulmi has issued with 3 correct answers. We'll go for the next question. To protect from COVID-19, I should avoid touching my face, maintain distance from people coughing or sneezing, wear a mask, frequently wash my hands. So what we have to do to protect us from COVID-19, what we have to do? We should not touch our face or wear a mask or maintain distance from people, there is social distancing, or to frequently wash our hands. Which one is the right answer? Yes, so avoid touching my face, maintain distance from people coughing or sneezing, and frequently washing hands. All the three are right answers. So whoever answered all these three, we'll go further. We'll go for the scoreboard. Jolly, Kulmi, Ritu, and Teju are in the first five. Super kids will go for the next question. How does COVID-19 spread? So how this virus spread? Through touching objects, or through sharing blood, or when an infected person cough, or through toxic waste? So by which way the virus spreads? Which one is the right answer? Come on, 11, 10, 9 seconds more, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0. Yes, the right answer, through touching objects when an infected person cough. Yes. Let us see the score. Where is the highest number? And Kulmi, Joel, Ritu, and Dev Chaitanya around it. Very good. Very superb. Superb kids. If somebody is sick with COVID-19, wearing mask will prevent germs from spreading to others. Is that true or false? If somebody is sick with COVID-19, wearing mask will prevent germs from spreading to others. So, it's a true or false? Come on, fast. 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So which one is the right answer? Should I ask? Yes, it's true. So the score is Gurmi, Joel, or Ritu, and Dev Chaitanya were on lead, and Gurmi has the highest answer streak of 6. So congratulations, Gurmi has answered 6 answer very correctly. So we'll go for the next question. That's 17th question. How long you have to wash your hands? How long you have to wash your hands? At least 20 seconds, or at least 10 seconds, at least 5 minutes, or at least 20 minutes. How long you have to wash your hands? Yes. Tatina answered. Let's check for the score. 6 seconds, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yes. Yes. So at least 20 seconds we have to wash your hands. So let us see the score. Yes, superb for me. Joel, Ritu, and Dev Chaitanya. Wow, great kids. Keep going. 18th question. What percentage of alcohol should be present in the sanitizer to kill coronavirus? What percentage of alcohol should be in the sanitizer to kill coronavirus? Whether it's 5%, 35%, 60%, or 75%. 10 seconds more. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yes. The right answer is 60% of alcohol should be there in the sanitizer. So if you do not have water and soap to wash, at that time you can use sanitizer, which will kill germs. So Kulmi, Jolly is on it, and Kulmi up, and Ritu, and Dev Chaitanya, the first 5, and up to 4 places, Sanjay is the highest driver. Super, super good. We'll go for the next question. So only people having symptoms of COVID-19 can spread the virus to others. Is this true or false? So people who have symptoms of COVID-19, only they can able to spread the virus to others. Whether it is true or false. So 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. it's false. It's false is the right answer. So many asymptom patients also spreads the virus to others nowadays. So it's false. So Jolly, yes, Jolly, Kulmi, Ritu, and they Chaitanya were the first 5, and George has the highest answer streak of 6. Superb, superb. We go for the next question. It develops that separates and restricts movements of people who have COVID-19. So, if some person has COVID-19, so what we should not, they should not spread the disease to others. So, what we have to do? We have to quarantine or anxiety, social distancing, or none of the above. Which one is the right answer? Yes, the person should be quarantined. The person should be quarantined so that it can stop spreading to others. So quarantine is the right answer. Yes, Jolie, Kulmi, Ritu, and Dev are the first 5. The Ark has the highest answer streak of 4. Superb. We'll go for the next question. Which helped to slow down the spread of COVID-19? Which helped to slow down the spread of COVID-19? Social distancing, walking, swimming, feeling worried. So, which will slow down the spread of COVID-19? So, if we are not walking, will it slow down? Or if we are not swimming, will it slow down? Or we should maintain social distance should be maintained. Which one is the right answer? Social distancing will slow down the spread of COVID-19. So that's very important at this time. So Jolie, Kulvi, Ark, Ritu, and Dev Chaitanya were the first 5. And the Ark has a streak with 5 correct answers. Wow, super. Okay. The other 3 questions, following questions will be a poll. It will not have any marks. Just want to know all your opinions based on the session. So what you have understood and about the sessions, it's a poll. It's just all your own opinion. Does not get any marks. We'll go for the next. It's a poll. Not this one. From the next question, it will be a poll. This has got a mark. That is the minimum social distance to be practiced. So whether it's 3 feet, 4 feet, 2 feet, 6 feet. So what is the distance should be practiced? Minimum social distance. So that the virus will not spread. 3 feet, 2 feet, 4 feet, or 6 feet. Which one is the right answer? It's 6 feet. 6 feet is the right answer. Yes, Jody. Gurmi, Ritu, and Dev Chaitanya were on lead, and Ritu is back again in the game in the 3rd week. Okay, super, super. And as I said, from the next question, it will be a poll. Just share your opinion. It does not have any marks. So it's purely based on what you have understood from the session. So during this lockdown, I am taking the following steps. What are the steps you all are following during this lockdown? So it's all your own answers. You can give any answers. Staying home in quarantine, hanging out with my friends, practice social distancing, be more careful around older adults. So what you all are doing? Come on, kids. So give all your opinions here. Okay, so most of them, that is 36% of you people are staying home in quarantine, practice social distancing, be more careful around one another. This is 29%. Exactly, okay. We'll go for the next question. After understanding the pandemic, I will. So you all know what is pandemic now. So what you're going to do? Be more careful around older adults. You take care of the older adults. Share something I have learned with a friend or family member. practice better social distancing, do nothing different. So what you're going to do? Yes. Yes. 29 percentage say that they will be more careful around older adults. 21 percentage share something they have learned with a friend or family member. And 28 percentage practice better social distancing, and 21 percentage they're going to do something different with break and do nothing different. Oh, sorry. Okay, we'll go for the next question. Yes, your feedback about the session is the most important thing for us. Come on, give me your feedback. So, how you all enjoy this or anything, you can give your feedback here. Informative, whether the session is informative for you, interactive, interesting, and participative. Yes. Okay, 25% has said informative, 13% has said interactive, and 56% interesting, and 6% participative. Thank you so much. We'll see the score now. Okay. So, come on, Jolly is on the first place, and Kulmi is on the second place, and Ark is on the third place. And the two runner-ups were, just want to, I see the thing. So, super kids, super Jolly, Kulmi, and Ark, really great doing, and all the kids really did well, super. Nice. We'll see the score now, score of all the participants. Yes, Ark is in the third position. Kulmi is in the second. Anjali is in the first. Ritu and Dev Chaitanya were the runner-ups. Wow, super. Okay, I really enjoyed a lot with all you kids. Hope you all enjoyed. And
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much for this session.
Thank you.
It was really interesting, informative, interactive, everything. Thank you, Sudha ma'am, also for sharing such wonderful and valuable information with all of us.
Thank
And
you,
for me,
Anjali.
personally, it was very insightful, and I'm very sure the kids enjoyed it too. They are our little heroes. Thank you, kids, and thank you everyone for joining. I'm very sure that right from understanding what is COVID-19, we understood what is the definition and also the 5 steps, important steps of hand washing and many other things in this session. And what we have to do right now is, after understanding them, we have to put them to practice. Make sure that you self quarantine yourself, don't go out, practice social distancing, and you can share your feedback or any query with us. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you once again. And thank you all of you for joining this session and making it a success. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.